Question is asking for what is the shortest distance between these two lines. Okay. So, we will write in the standard form x minus 0 divided by 1, that is equal to y minus of minus 2 divided by what is it 1, that is equal to z minus 1 divided by 1 by 6, right. Here it will be of the form x minus of minus 1 divided by 1, that is equal to y divided by half, that is equal to z divided by minus 1 divided by 12, right, minus 1 divided by 12. So, I may write here this is nothing but y minus 0, this is nothing but z minus 0, correct. So, what you do, you compare this with the standard form of the line, compare with x minus x1 divided by a1, that is equal to y minus y1 divided by b1, that is equal to z minus z1 divided by c1. This implies to me that x1 comma y1 comma z1, that is equal to what is it 0 comma minus 2 comma 1, and a1 b1 c1 will be equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1 by 6, correct or not, 1 comma 1 comma 1 by 6. So, here x minus x2 divided by a2, that is equal to y minus y2 divided by b2, that is equal to z minus z2 divided by c2, right. So, this implies to me that x2 comma y2 comma z2, x2 comma y2 comma z2, that is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 0, and what is the value of a2 comma b2 comma c2? a2 comma b2 comma c2 is nothing but 1 comma half comma minus 1 divided by 12, is it right? So, now how do you calculate the distance between the two lines? The distance between the two lines is given by determinant of x2 minus x1, then y2 minus y1, then z2 minus z1, okay, a1 b1 c1, and then a2 b2 c2, a2 b2 c2 divided by whole root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 the whole square plus c1 a2 minus a1 c2 the whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 the whole square, right or not, a1 b2 the whole square, like this. If the distance is negative, you have to make it positive. Obviously, distance is a scalar quantity, it cannot become negative. So, we will calculate the answer to the question x2 minus x1. What is this x2 minus x1? x2 minus x1 will be minus 1, y2 minus y1 will be equal to 0, minus of minus 2 will be 2, and this is nothing but minus 1, a1 b1 c1 will be 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and then 1 by 2 and minus 1 divided by 12, correct, divided by root over a1 b2 or b1 c2 minus b2 c1 the whole square, which is nothing but see, if this problem is becoming difficult here to solve, right, it is like this. So, b1 c2 will be equal to what is it, b1 c2 will be equal to minus 1 by 12 minus 1 divided by 12 the whole square. So, we will still do this using the same method, otherwise you could have done this using vector form, okay, vector form you could have done this, but still it is okay. Now, we can solve this problem. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 the whole square plus c1 a2, this is c1 a2, that is nothing but 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 the whole square plus a1 b2 1 by 2 minus 1 the whole square, right, 1 by 2 minus 1 the whole square. So, can you tell me what is this answer that we get for the distance? Now, we will look at this. What is the answer that we get for the distance? We will see here, I will rub this part. We will look at what we get at the distance now. So, d is equal to minus 1 times minus 1 by 12 minus 1 divided by 12 minus 1 divided by 12, right, minus 1 divided by 12 minus 1 divided by 12 minus 2 times leave the row and column, minus 1 divided by 12 minus 1 divided by 6 plus minus 1 times minus 1 times, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, correct, whole divided by root over minus 1 divided by 6 the whole square is nothing but 1 by 36 plus 1 by 6, that is nothing but 3 by 12, 3 by 12 will be equal to 9 divided by 144, and plus plus 1 divided by 4, right, 1 divided by 4. So D is equal to 1 divided by 6 I will get here, and then you will get here minus 2 times minus 1 minus 2 divided by 12, and then minus plus 1 by 2, right, divided by whole root of, we can take here 144, 36 into 36 into how much is 144? 36 into 4. 4 6 are 24, 2 4 3 are 12, yes. So this is 4, and then plus 9 plus 4 36, so this is nothing but 36 here. So your answer to the question D is equal to 1 divided by 6. Minus 3 by 12 will be here. This is nothing but minus 3 divided by 12. This is plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 36 plus 13. 36 plus 9 will be 45, 45, 49. So this is 7 divided by 12. So your answer here will be minus into minus will be plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. So 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 7 by 12. So your answer to the question will be 7 by 6 multiplied by 12 divided by 7. So that is equal to how many units? 2 units will be the answer to the question. This is the shortest distance between the two lines. Very important question.